Alright, let's sketch this graph and identify all of the awesome pieces of information. So, what do we know? That 6 is telling us our y-intercept is at 0, 6. Let's complete the square real quick. Y equals x minus 2 squared. Still have my plus 6, but now I need to subtract 4 to balance this. So I'll have y equals x minus 2 squared plus 6 minus 4 is plus 2. Cool. So what do we know? We know that our vertex is at 2, 2. What else does that tell us? That tells us that since this graph has a positive a value, just 1 in this case, and my vertex is above the x-axis, I'm not going to have any x-intercepts. So I can probably go ahead and sketch this graph now to the best of my ability. Vertex form, so minus 2, there's my vertex at x value of positive 2, y value is also positive 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then my y-intercept is right here. If this is my vertex right here, I know that my axis of symmetry is running through it vertically like that, which means if I go over 2 points to the right of it, I'll also have a mirrored point right there. So that should be at 4, 6. Here's my vertex at 2, 2. Here's that y-intercept at 0, 6. And let's put 2 more points on there. Since my a value is 1, I know I should be over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1. So there we have it. There is our parabola right there. And let's identify some information. So we've already identified our vertex as the coordinates 2, 2. Our axis of symmetry runs through our vertex. So our axis of symmetry is a vertical line, which means it has an equation x equals whatever its x value is, which in this case is 2. What else we want? Max slash min. Well, we have a minimum value at our vertex, which is 2, 2. Domain and range. Well, domain for all parabolas will always be all real numbers. So I'm going to say x is in the set of all real numbers. For my range, notice I'm using set builder notation. You can use interval notation. I'm using set builder notation. For my range is going to be all y values in the set of real numbers such that my y values are greater than or equal to 2, the minimum value. And there we have all that jazz.